Guys, what's up? It's Ryan here. This is the night of us recording log number 3, I think. Whatever log it was that we it was Matt Wallace and myself. We posted up talking about experiences. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning, and I just woke up to a really weird noise out here. You can't see anything. Hold on. Lights. Okay. Okay, there's nothing. Wait, what was that? Paranoia for the win. And there is nothing. Why would there be? And I just got woken up at 1 o'clock in the morning for no reason, but okay, anyway guys, if there's nothing here, but if there's any more weird noises or anything, I'll make sure to keep you guys posted. But as for now, I'll be seeing you guys later. Bye.